AI coding assistants are everywhere right now, but the real question is, are you paying for convenience or actually getting a better developer experience? So today in this video, we are putting up OpenCode head-to-head with GitHub Copilot to see which one truly deserves a spot in your workflow. So let's get started. GitHub, so we start with GitHub. GitHub Copilot is the mainstream AI coding assistant built directly onto editors like VS Code. It helps autocomplete code, generate functions, explain bugs, and also chats with you inside your IDE. But OpenCode here on the other side is more focused on being open, flexible, and developer controlled. So instead of locking you into one ecosystem, it gives developers more customization and transparency in how AI integrates into coding workflows. So some of the pros of using these GitHub is that it is super beginner friendly. Okay, it's very easy to use, especially for beginners, and you have excellent code VS Code integrations, and it works great for boilerplate and repetitive tasks. Because it's backed by Microsoft and GitHub, the ecosystem support is massive. Whereas OpenCode here, okay, it has more customizable workflows, it has better transparency for AI interactions, and it appeals strongly to open source developers. And for developers who care about flexibility and ownership, this one feels more like hacker friendly. Whereas some of the cons of using GitHub is that the subscription cost, so you have to pay for the subscription, which might be an add up, and the suggestions can become repetitive, and sometimes overconfidence with wrong code can happen, and also you have less control over what's happening under the hood, as you have a heavy dependence on GitHub ecosystem. Whereas the open code here, it has a smaller ecosystem, and it has fewer integrations, and it has a slightly steeper learning curve compared to GitHub. So when power use, so it might be good for power users, they might love it, but new developers might struggle at first. So I would say if you're a beginner or a student or a developer who wants the smoothest experience possible, then just start off with GitHub Copilot. That would be a better choice. But if you are like an advanced developer or an open source enthusiastic, then or you prefer like flexibility and transparency, then OpenCode might actually be a better tool for you. So the winner actually depends on one thing: do you want convenience or a control? So that's what matters.